Hello guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to buy a games on Steam in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, let's go to the Steam application or software, and after that guys, okay, as you can see here on store, we have a lot of games right here, right now, but you can also search here a specific game you wanted to download. So in search section you can search action games, so we can choose Ashes of Creation, this one. Okay, so you just have to click that one, and of course after clicking that one, as you can see here, you can add to cart this game too for you to be able to buy this one. So click add to cart, so you can view this game, view your cart to, okay, like this one, and you have to continue to payment. So for you if you if you still don't have a payment method right here, but the PayPal is not yet still available, so it's not yet available, so let's use some Mastercard. Okay, okay, so let's just go back here and let's try it again. Okay, there you go. You can also, okay, so after this guys, after filling this up, these blank spaces here, you can click continue and you will be able to install the games or the app that you buy. Okay, so that's it guys, I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Steam application. Thank you.